In this video, we want to make an alcoholic extract of cloves. If you'd like to learn how to make it, stay with us until the end of this video. Hello, I am Reza Marpourian, a pharmacist. Today we are going to work on making an alcoholic extract of the clove plant together. In previous videos, the link to which you can see above, we talked about the extract and the method of making a sedative extract. If you would also like to become more familiar with the concept of extracts and extraction, we have prepared another video that you can watch as well. To make this extract, we need 20 grams of cloves and 200 milliliters of 70% alcohol. Right now, I have 99.6% alcohol, and I need to mix it with distilled water to reach 70%. Cloves contain an active ingredient called eugenol, which has antibacterial properties. It is considered a strong anesthetic, and if you wish, you can also use it in creams and skin serums as an anti-acne agent. It is commonly used in various mouthwashes for its powerful antibacterial properties that help protect your teeth and gums. And you can also easily add it to your favorite massage oils after you have finished making this extract, which provides a truly wonderful and deeply relaxing effect for all of your body's tired muscles. To make this extract, as we mentioned earlier, we want to carefully measure out exactly 20 grams of this plant material, and then we will proceed to add the solvent to it. First, let's begin by measuring out 20 grams of these dried cloves, ensuring we have the precise amount needed for the extraction process to work correctly. And then it's better to crush the clove seeds. Try not to turn them into powder because they get sticky, and when we add the solvent to them, the active ingredient won't be released easily. Now, for making our solvent, as we said, we want to make a 70% alcohol solvent. In this video, I use 99.6% alcohol or ethanol. To make 200 milliliters of solvent, I need to dilute it. To dilute our solvent, we use distilled water or deionized water. For 200 milliliters, we need to use 140 milliliters of 99.6% alcohol and 60 milliliters of distilled water. We mix them together. And once we have ground our cloves with a grinder, we add the solvent to it. Now that our cloves are ground, put them into a glass container. Make sure your container is glass, not plastic, because the alcohol and the active ingredient of our plant will react with the plastic, and the extraction won't turn out right. Now it is finally time to carefully add our solvent to the mixture. Please make sure to add the solvent very slowly, drop by drop, to ensure that it does not splash or create any unwanted reactions. And we close the lid. Well, the steps for making our extract are complete. Now you need to keep this jar in a cool place away from sunlight for 14 days. Make sure to shake it every day so that the plant's active ingredient is released into the solvent. You might wonder why we said in the previous video about the hydroalcoholic extract that it should be kept in a cool place for a month. The difference between alcoholic extracts and glycerin or aqueous ones is that they extract the active ingredient faster. That's why 14 days is enough. Make sure to date it when you make it and write its name so you don't forget. I had already made this clove extract. Now 14 days have passed, and I want to separate the solvent from the plant using a strainer mesh. You can take 5 milliliters of the extract we made, pure, and place it under your tongue every day. It has antibacterial properties, it's a numbing agent, and it also helps you with pain. There are many different things you can do with this extract. You can use it to make a very useful and natural mouthwash, which we have already made. You can watch the video for it. It has antibacterial properties, is good for the gums, and also helps with toothache. You can add this to cosmetic creams and serums, as it has anti-acne properties, and you can also add it to massage oils to help relax muscles.